We are first to ride Alice in Wonderland. This is gonna be great. All right, follow you? Yes, no? Okay. All right. I don't want to like approach on you. I don't want you to think I'm stalking you or anything. All right, we're gonna ride Wonderland.
I'm gonna head right down that way. Okay?
All right, thank you. All right, we are the first in line after fireworks to Alice in Wonderland. This is gonna be great, so don't you go changing, or of course we'll find you. No vibrating plants today. I think the Abominable Snowman has a day off. But this is cool. I saw them check every one of these cars before this started. It was pretty cool. And I like the thoroughness that Disney does. Where like in Magic Mountain or Cedar Fair, they wouldn't give a crap. But these guys make sure that every single car comes back okay, the restraint stays where they are. It's pretty cool. I like that. I like that attention to detail. Even if it takes a few more minutes, it's our safety, you know? I think that's really, really cool. And we are about to ride. Oh my gosh, this is the shortest I've ever had to wait. Come on! I should sit in the back, huh? Yeah, I gotcha. I know the routine. Oh yes. And there's a little camera to spy on us. Here we go.
All of the lights gathered down the lane. All of a sudden, I fell. Down.
Looking for the white rabbit? Well,
Mr. Rabbit, wait, please. He went this way. Oh no, that way. I had to say hello, goodbye.
Hello, happy fans. There's other places you can ride a Caterpillar, but you need to be in the construction industry, you know? All right. Alrighty. Yeah, there we go. Sorry, getting a little too fast for my age. All right. So don't you go changing, or of course I will find you. Peace out.